Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Teamwork. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn how to write ordinal numbers 1st to 30th. Before this, in English for grade 2, you have learned to write numbers. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. Your maths teacher has also taught you ordinal numbers in words, 1 to 1st to 20th. So you may watch this video lecture as well, and we are going to learn further to write ordinal numbers 1st to 30th in words. Write the missing letters in simple 2 or 3 syllable words. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al Imran, verse 96. Indeed, the first house of worship established for mankind was that at Makkah, blessed and a guidance for the words. Yes, my dear students, what house is being discussed over here? Do you know? Yes, beta, it's Khana Kaaba, that is in Makkah. And you know, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us the first house. We were not there, maybe no human being was over there. So Allah is telling us the first house for worship has been established in Makkah, that is Baitullah, Khana Kaaba. Right? So beta, this tells us the importance of our Khana Kaaba. And that's why we turn towards Khana Kaaba to offer our prayer 5 times a day, right? So now look at this word, first. What does it mean? What do you understand? First mean on number 1. So this is how every position has a number that is called ordinal number. Now you tell me, what are ordinal numbers? Oh, I just told you the answer. So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, it was quite easy for you. So, ordinal numbers are number defining the position of something in a series. So, when you have placed many things in a series, everything has a position. The number which is used to tell its position is known as ordinal number. Do you understand? Such as first, the thing which will be on number 1, it's called first. On number 2 is second, on number 3 is third, and so on, right? So how do you find it? Look at this picture, this video. There is a race and children are on different positions. Now at this point, who is at first position? She, because she is number 1, first, second, third, and so on. This is how in a series we find the position, and to tell that position we use ordinal numbers, first, second, third, right? Let's watch another. Look at this. So everyone is running. What is the position of this kid? It's easy. He's last because there is no one behind him. So beta, this is how we find words to tell the position, right? And what that word is called? That is called ordinal number. So this is how we write it. For number 1, we write in numbers first. How do we write it? 1 and a small st. And how do we spell it? First, F-I-R-S-T. Second, S-E-C-O-N-D. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. You see, beta, we can write and find these numbers in numbers and in words both. Okay, so you should know to write in both ways. If you want to write second, you can write this way and this way as well, right? And it goes on like 11th, 12th. You see, its spellings are a little different, so we should pronounce it 12th, 12th, okay? 13th, 14th, 15th. It's not 5T, it's 15, so we spell it different. 16, 17, 18. Here once again, 8, 18. So we need not to write 2 T's, it's 1 T. 18, 19, and 20th. So this is how we say 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th, right? So what comes after 20th? It's 21. So how do we write it in ordinal numbers? 21st. 21st. Same way we write it. 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, and then 30. And what is the ordinal number for 30? It's 30th, and its spellings are different, so we need to learn it. 30th. This is how we spell and write the ordinal numbers. Are you clear? Okay, so I want you to practice it through an activity. And what's that? This is the board ready for you. All of you, teacher, I suggest make it a game. Just point a number and ask the child to spell it even by looking at the board. This is how quickly they will understand it. So pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, you could spell all the numbers from 1st till 30th. Okay, I'm gonna check it. Let's do this in your book. It's question number 17. Look at this picture. There are different animals on different places. So by looking at this series of pictures, you have to complete this task. You have to tell which animals is third. So look at the picture, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Do you understand now, beta, how do we find out like third is fourth, first? This is how we find the position, and we use ordinal numbers to tell the position. Do you understand? Alhamdulillah, we are done with it. Now it's time. You have to complete this question number 5, insert missing letters and learn the spellings. So look at the word, complete the spellings quickly, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write ordinal numbers 1st to 30th in your notebooks. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned the ordinal numbers 1st to 30th, and we provided missing letters in 2 and 3 syllable words. So we achieved our SLOs to write ordinal numbers 1st to 30th in words and provide the missing letters in simple 2 or 3 syllable words. Are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.